Hey, hello there everyone. It's September the 3rd. It's about 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, about 15 minutes before the close. I thought I'd jump in here just to kind of go over what's been going on in the markets today. As you guys know, if you pay attention to the markets, we had a sudden drop this morning. Just a correction that would normally have been healthy. As you all know, the markets are trading at 24 to even 50 PE, which is just insane. I don't know why anybody would even bother to buy something like this. Anyway, so we had a drop, precipitous drop from 93.33 roughly down to about 92.53. A good, 80-point drop in a matter of an hour or so ahead, an hour and a half or so. Another thing that's very interesting, ladies and gentlemen, today we had a huge rise in gold. I think in my last video I mentioned that gold would hit $1,000 per ounce. I really figured the next 30 to 60 days. I did not think it'd be almost today. Gold right now, as I'm talking to you guys, is at $9.92 an ounce. We were just $7.11 away from $1,000 an ounce for gold. So I think this is a big indication of what's going to be coming. I really believe the markets will be dropping precipitously here in the next few weeks. I also see the dollar becoming a lot stronger too. I think as people see the markets crumbling and falling apart, there's going to be the usual run to the dollar. People are going to surge back into the dollar. So I think we probably would see a dollar rally here in the next couple of weeks too. I'd say in the next 15 to perhaps 20 days or so. Then I think some realization will come to the markets then. And I think the dollar will start being sold off, as I would think, because I think eventually we'll get down to crazy levels about 60 or 40 on the U.S. dollar exchange. So I think that's what's coming up, guys. And what's interesting too is I'm looking here at Market Watch. Market Watch is a great mainstream media website for financial news, and it's really interesting. Today it was basically flat. I mean, we're up about 41 points, as a matter of fact, as I'm talking to you. But then the main headline is jittery ahead of jobs report. Well, I mean, we're up 41 points. We had a huge drop. The market's getting manipulated, guys. Okay? Now, let's just be honest. I would believe the FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee, which is part of the Federal Reserve System, is keeping the markets up. I equate this to, in the circus, and you got the clowns, you got, 4 or 5 spinning dishes, on those sticks, and I think you got a clown just trying to keep all the dishes spinning, right? And that's what they're doing. They're trying to keep this propped up, and all this is going to do is make things just a lot worse. We need the corrections now. I've been saying this, I think, in every single video. We need the corrections now. We have got to get through this. This long, painful, drawn-out crap is just going to hurt everyone in the long term. I mean, you can't be without a job for 2-3 years, Let's just get the correction over with. It's quick. It's over. It's like pulling a Band-Aid. And then, people get back to work. We get back to, a recovering economy, a true recovery economy, not this debt-laden morphine recovery, but a true actual recovery, where things will come back and things like that. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. I want to keep this real short. I think a major change is coming. I can see the dollar rallying pretty quick here. Gold is almost $1,000 an ounce. I think this is a signal that the markets are going to be tanking very soon. So if you have any equities, my advice, I would sell, but that's just me. I'm certainly not a financial advisor, but I would definitely sell and get out of the stock market as soon as possible. I think it's coming. Anyway, that's it again, guys. I'll come up with another report tomorrow, and God help us all. Support 1207. Thanks. And support my videos too. Subscribe and rate and comment if you would, please. Thank you. Bye-bye.